making crock pot cream cheese taco dip.
Oh, I'm having a whole lot of fun. In a whiskey glass. Ow! Oh, it on my hand. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. We are crocking up recipes from recipes@crock.com, and today we are going to make one of Aunt Lou's dishes.
Because why didn't I get to eat that?
That's what he always says. And so what we are going to whip up is her cream cheese taco dip.
It's on the blog.
It's
right
on
there.
the blog, yep. And so we're going to use one of our smaller slow cookers. She calls for a 2.5 quart. We're actually, I think this is a 4 quart, so we're kind of cheating, which means it'll cook hotter.
Which means watch it.
Yes. So all this is kind of a dump and let it start cooking, and then you stir it until it's warmed through, and then you pop it to warm for the party.
The only thing to prep on this is to make sure that your ground beef is browned. You want 1 pound of browned ground beef. How now, brown
You could
cow?
even use our make-ahead ground beef if you wanted to. Like, we make that up and we pop it in the freezer. You could do that and thaw it out and then just dump it right in.
And there it went.
There it goes. Alright, so we have a pound of ground beef, and then we have 2 bricks of cream cheese. So that's 16 ounces of cream cheese total. And we also have 16 ounces of Velveeta cubed up that we're going to dump in. And 16 ounces, or it may have been 15 ounces on the blog, whatever your jar salsa around that, guys.
It took me as much time to tear open 1 package as it did for you to dump all that stuff in there.
There you go.
That's just how fast it is. Can I do it?
Yes.
Thank you very much. I put so much work into it.
And so could you grab me a spoon?
Yes.
And so we're going to stir this up just a little bit because it's got a lot of flavor going on. And we're going to heat this, I believe, I don't know if she said high or low.
She said to put it on low for 1 to 1.5 hours, because all you're doing is melting the cheese and the cream cheese down into it. The only thing that had to cook was the beef, which you did ahead of time.
Well, here's the deal. Like, I don't know about you guys, but when I got a party going on, sometimes I don't remember to put this on in time, and people are going to get here and going to want to eat it. So one of the tricks that I like to do when we have this, and I don't have an hour to wait and kind of mix it and all that kind of stuff, is, hold this, I like to take the ceramic crock, don't do this with any of your metal guys, and I'm just going to pop it in my microwave. And we're going to heat it up, and I heat it up a few minutes at a time, stirring until it starts to get melty. And then once it fully gets melty, I pop it back in my slow cooker and pop it over to warm, and no one knows the difference.
That was a pretty cool tip. I didn't know that's where you were going with that.
Yeah.
Hey, again, don't do that with a metal one, or else it's going to look like a rock concert going on in your microwave. You can do it once. As they say about anything, you can do it once, but I guarantee you, you won't do it again.
So we will be back once the cheese melts.
In 3, 2, 1. And just like that, our cheater over here has it done in the microwave. Careful, because it's going to be hot.
Yeah, you don't want to touch where the cheese was, but on the outside it's cool enough. This ended up microwaving for about 4 minutes total. 2 minutes to begin with. I stirred it up, 2 more minutes, and everything is pretty melted. Now, it could melt a little bit more, so putting it on warm and stirring occasionally is just the same as what the slow cooker would do during your party. So
if you got time, set it on low for an hour and a half and stir it every once in a while. If you don't have time, set it in your microwave for 4 minutes, stir it every once in a while.
I do it all the time.
Now we are going to serve this in a whiskey glass. Ow! Oh, it on my hand! Oh.
I'm sorry.
That was our early taste
I
test.
was not prepared.
I was not either. That's deliciously painful. We don't really use whiskey all that much in this house, so I figure y'all could see it in a whiskey glass.
Honestly,
I'm gonna put some more in there myself.
We bought it to make like little fruit parfaits in. So.
But it holds the dip pretty well. The dip's holding it pretty well too. But you just serve it with your favorite chips.
Or my favorite chips.
Since we eat low carb around here, we don't have too many tortilla chips, but we've got these protein chips that are pretty darn good. They taste like Doritos.
Mm-hmm.
And
oh my goodness.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. That was worth the pain.
That's very, very, very yummy.
Good job, Aunt Lou.
Uh-huh.
Good job, bud.
Yeah.
Hey.
Uh-oh. I got...
Uh-oh. Man down.
My drip.
I'll go fishing for it.
Okay.
Why don't you tell me?
My goodness. Well, if you enjoyed this video, would you give us a thumbs up? And if you are not already a member of our Crock Posse, we'd love for you to subscribe down below and become a member of our Crock Potting family. And if you would like notifications for when we upload videos or when Mikey's walking around with cheese in his beard, like right now. No.
I'll clean that up later.
Just click the little bell down below and you will get notifications of whenever we upload our videos. But in the meantime, whatever you do, don't forget to
Laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
We think.
Oh, awesome.
You're like wearing it, dear.
And then I want you to lean to your right and say, "What a dip."
No, I won't say that.
Okay, ready? At least lean to your right and like do something. Yes!
Okay, ready? Get out of my frame! I don't want to hold back, so just get one for us to use. Jeez. And now every one of them are crumbs.
My bad.
Don't throw it at me.
I think I might have still have some of it in my beard.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon